When clearing land for construction or wanting to rearrange a landscape, sometimes we come across trees that we don't want to cut down. In this situation, relocating the trees is the optimal solution. Have you ever wondered how people move trees? If you have, then let's find out together in this video. Transplanting trees is known as a method of moving trees from their original location to a new one without causing harm to the tree. This process involves several steps such as digging up the roots, pruning the branches, and moving the tree to a new location. This technique is widely used in construction projects or environmental restoration to protect trees and make use of plant resources. However, transplanting trees can affect the health of the tree and should be carried out by experienced individuals to ensure the highest level of safety. The process of moving trees starts with evaluating the tree, preparing the new location, and then digging up and transferring the tree to the new spot. A tree specialist will assess the tree to determine its ability to be moved and develop an appropriate moving plan. The new location needs to be prepared in advance, ensuring that the soil and environmental conditions are suitable for the tree to thrive. Once the soil is prepared, the specialist uses a machine to dig up the tree out of the ground. During the digging process, the specialist keeps the root system intact to minimize the impact on the tree. To transfer the tree to the new location, the specialist uses the same machine or a specialized truck. They must ensure that the tree remains intact with the root ball and is not bumped or overturned during the move. The vehicle used to move trees will operate based on the principles of mechanics and electronic control. This moving vehicle will have main components such as a crane, gripper arm, support leg system, transmission, and control system. With the control of the driver, the cutting edge will be used to cut the surrounding soil, making it easy to move the tree. The crane will be used to lift the tree out of its original position, protecting the tree roots from damage. The transmission and control system will be used to adjust or fix the tree's position on the vehicle during transportation. When the tree arrives at the new location, the excavator part of the vehicle will be used to place the tree on the ground. The support leg system will also be used to keep the tree stable on the ground surface. One more thing that cannot be ignored is that the arborist needs to perform some calculations to ensure that the tree moving process is carried out correctly. The arborist must assess the size and the weight of the tree, from which they select the most appropriate tools and transportation methods. Then, the arborist determines the new location by marking the spot where the hole is to be dug to remove the tree from the ground and the new location to move the tree to. Checking the tree's health condition before moving is also a crucial step. This ensures that the tree is healthy enough to withstand the moving process. All of the calculation steps cannot be ignored as they will directly affect the outcome of the tree location. For mature or larger trees, a Especially during the preparation of the new planting hole, it is essential to pay attention to the diameter and depth of the hole to fit the size of the tree. In addition, the hole must be large enough to allow for easy removal of the tree and prevent the roots from being too damaged. After removing the tree from the ground, it needs to be secured firmly and placed in the transport vehicle. Upon arrival at the new location, the tree should be placed in the prepared planting hole and supplemented with the necessary soil for growth. In fact, the relocation of green trees not only protects them from negative impacts of construction works, but also helps trees to be preserved and continue to develop in the new location. Especially, it saves costs compared to the planting new trees. For long-lived green trees, moving them also helps to preserve and increase their value over time. So, moving green trees is not too complicated, right? Our video about how to relocate a tree is over here. To continue to watch our other videos on YouTube, please like and subscribe and follow us. Click the bell to receive notifications. Have a good day. Goodbye and see you again.